Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to replace the front brakes on this 2014 Honda Accord. Okay, jack up the car, remove the wheel, and the first thing we're going to do is remove the caliper. You need to remove this 14mm bolt and this one down here. Turn the wheel so you have better access to these bolts. Now you can take off the caliper and hang this up. Don't let it hang by the brake line because you may damage the brake line, okay? Next, you can take off the brake pads. As you can see, there's almost no meat left on these. The shot. Next, we got to take off the caliper bracket. So you need to take off the 17mm and this one right here. Next, you need to remove the rotor, and it's being held down by this retaining screw right here. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver, bang it so you can get it loose, and take it out. If you can't get it out, sometimes it gets stuck. You may have to drill it out. Okay, this screw is shot. It's all stripped, so I'm gonna drill it out. All right, that should be ready to come off. Okay, now we need to take off the rest of the screw. It's stuck in there. I spray some penetrating oil in there. Hopefully I could get it out. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it off. You don't need those screws. They're only there from the factory to hold the rotor in place, but you don't need them because the lug nuts hold the rotor in place. So don't put them on. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. Make sure you wear eye protection when you do this. Next, clean the hub with a wire brush. All right, these are the new rotors. Make sure they are the same size as the old ones. And this is the part number you need. Before you put them on, make sure you spray them and clean them up because they come with some kind of coating from the factory. You want to take that off before you put them on, okay? All right, throw a little grease on the hub so the rotor doesn't get stuck on there. Now you can put the rotor back on and just hold it in place with a lug nut. Next, remove the clips. And clean wire brush this part. Next, remove the slide pins. They just come off. So we're going to clean them, re-grease them, and stick them back in. So do one at a time because sometimes these are different. One is different than the other, okay? I have to wire brush this a little bit to clean it. Okay, you're gonna use some of this silicone-based stuff. You don't want to use regular grease because you don't want to mess up the rubber, okay? All right, just stick it back in. Okay. Do the same thing for the other one. Okay, I just wanted to show you this pin has the rubber piece on it. That's why you don't want to interchange them, okay? So. All right, these are the new brake pads, and that's the part number. And they didn't come with new hardware. They usually do. So I just clean these up, and I'm just gonna put them back on here, okay? Okay, put on your pads. Make sure the one with the wear sensor goes on the inside, and the wear sensor is gonna go on top. Put a little grease on the sides here, very little. Same thing with this one. Next, we need to compress this caliper piston so it fits over the new pads. So take yourself an old pad and a C-clamp and just compress it. Before you throw on the caliper, throw a little bit of grease in the back of these pads, very little. Now you can put your caliper on. Okay. Make sure that this line is not twisted, okay? Squeeze these guys in if you have to. There you go. All right, guys, put the wheel back on and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.